In this video, let's see one more use case on DataRaptor Extract. Here, problem statement is customer 360-degree view. It means a business user wants to see 360-degree view of the customer. Like they will provide us customer ID or account ID. Based on that, we need to show account details, all contacts under the account, open cases and active opportunities. So based on one input, it may be account ID, it may be account name or any other unique input that will be provided us from Omni script, from IP or from any other component. Based on that, we need to fetch these details and we need to return it to the calling component. Now to achieve this, we have multiple ways. We can have different combination of data raptors. One of the base combination, that integration procedure and data raptors, and do some logic development in the integration procedure itself. But at this moment, to have a base practice of DataRaptor Extract, we will try to achieve all this functionality in DataRaptor only. So let's try to do it one by one. Create one new DataRaptor Extract for account view. Save it. We need to fetch some account details first. So select object as account. Path is ACC list. Filter should be a name. I'm taking name here to make it more simpler. We can take account ID as well, any input. So I'm taking account name as ACC name where. From where we will get value of this ACC name where? From the calling component. Paste this DR. I'm taking here sample input as the ACME. Now we added account object here in the extract tab. We have given in the input. Shall we be able to see the output? No, because we have not done the field mapping in the output. So let's do the field mapping. We want account name. I want account name. If we do like this, what will happen? I will get the account name, but what is this? Whose name? So it should be there some naming convention. I can type here ACC name, account name, or the best practice is take one more JSON node like account colon. It means what? Account colon name. So let me show you this first. If you go into the preview, under the account node, name is ACME. Now if you want to add it further information, like I want to show industry. So here you can add like this, account colon industry. If you want phone number, so account phone number, that also you can add here. Then if you go to the preview, you should be able to see all details of the account under JSON node account. So this looks easy and this can be utilized further for further logic development, or if you want to show this data on the flex card, you can directly pass this account node. Now this way you can show the account details. If you want, you can add here further information, maybe source or the address and everything. The second one is all contacts under the same account. So we need to fetch all the contacts. In last one of the video we have fetched this. Let me repeat it, as we need to fetch contact details. So contact con list. What's the filter? With respect to one account, so it will be account.name. We can take account ID as well, but already we are getting the account name in this variable, so we are using the filter here account.name. Once we select object here, added filter, then go to the output mapping and let's finish this output mapping. We want name of the contact. Already we added the account name, so let's select this con list colon name. What we want contact name. So same practice, under this contact name, under this contact node, I should be able to see the name of the contact. Similarly, I would like to also show email, contact email. So contact colon email. Let's verify. Add one object at a time and let's verify whether we are able to fetch data or not. Now we are able to fetch all the contacts under this one account. Now we got two nodes, contact node, all contacts under the ACME, account node, account details under the node account. Similarly, all open cases related to the same account. So extract this step, case object selection, case list, filter. You want account ID? No. What we want? Account.name. What is that? This variable. Once we select object added filter, let's finish output mapping. What we want? We want case status. So case list colon status. JSON node is case. You can type here case status. Similarly, if you want case number, that also you can add here case list colon case number. Here case colon case number. If you want some more information like description, that also you can add here case list colon description. Let's verify whether are we able to fetch details. Contacts are fetched. Yes, case number, description, status, we are able to fetch it. Now all active opportunities related to the account. The same way we fetch account, contact and case. Select here object opportunity. Give the name opportunity list. Filter will be the same. We can take account ID as well account.name also, as we are getting account.name in this variable. Object is selected, filter is done. Now do the output mapping. What we want? We want opportunity name. It's a OPP list colon name. What's the node name here? Opportunity is a node name. And under that node name, we are putting the opportunity name. What else we want? We want stage name as well. In which stage this opportunity is. Now let's verify, are we able to fetch opportunities or not. Contact we can, case opportunities also. Now we got these four nodes, contact, case, opportunity, account details for this one ACMA. In debug log also you can see these details. For example, for the first circle, we are fetching the account details. So there is only one record for the name ACME. For this one account, we are fetching all the contacts. If you can see second circle, for that we do have 6 record, or I can say 6 contacts under the ACME. Similarly, here you can see the case details as well. So how many records? 4. And for opportunities, we do have 9 records. So this way you can show these 4 nodes for one account. But is this final answer? No. If we can read this third and fourth point, we only need to show open cases or active opportunities. So how can you show this? Now currently you are showing all the opportunities and all the cases. We need to show only active one. So what you are supposed to do, you need to apply some filter here. Like we are fetching all the cases where account.name is like this. Now we need to fetch all the cases which are active. So case related to this account and is close is false. What does it mean? Fetch all the case records where account.name is ACC name where and its close flag is false. It means what? This case is not closed yet. Let's verify this. Preview. Currently how many cases you are able to fetch? You can see here. From case object, how many results? 4. Let's verify. You can see here as well. Case, how many records? 3 records. Here also you can verify. Yeah, so 3 records. Let's open this account as well, ACME, and under this account, let's see how many cases are there. Yeah, there are 4 cases, but let's check status. Yeah, if you can see here, there are 4 total cases, but one is closed. So to open are 3 only. So our DR is working fine and it's showing the 3 cases which are open. Similarly, we need to show active opportunities. So go to the extract tab and is close is equals to false. You need to give this value false in the single quote. What does this mean? Fetch all the opportunity records where account.name is SEC name where and is close is false. When is close is false, it means what? Opportunity is still open, and store all these records in the variable OPP list. And we have already done the mapping here for the OPP list. So let's see in the preview how many records we are able to see at this moment from opportunity. 9 records. So let's execute. You can see here as well all the OPP records, and here also you can see. Yeah, this is a circle for opportunity and we are able to fetch 7 records. So 2 are reduced. Let's see at account level as well. There are 6 plus opportunities and total are 9. 2 are closed. So 7 are open opportunities and we are also getting 7. So it's fine, it's working as expected. This way you can show details for one account name. And if you want some more information, you can keep adding here object, but make sure that that object should have relation with the account. And this way we can develop this DR. What you can do as a practice, in one of the last video I have explained how to count number of records with the help of list size, if, is blank functions in the formula section. Similarly, you can practice here and try to find out the number of contacts, number of cases, or the number of open opportunities, and you can display here. This way you can achieve this real use case, and based on that you can try these interview questions. Feel free to comment your answer. There is one more scenario based question that you can try. Show the latest cases raised by that account. You will be provided here one account name and you need to find the latest cases for the account. If you have any issue, feel free to mention the same in the comment. In the next video we will learn a DataRaptor load. Thank you for watching.